Hi friends, welcome to Chenna Tech Point. Today we will see how to send a mail notification using simple notification service in AWS. Go to AWS console, type SNS, select the simple notification service. Amazon simple notification service. Amazon SNS is highly available and durable and as well as secure. You can see these are the benefits. Click on start with an overview. We will see the overview. In SNS service, two types are there. One is application to application. We will send a notification to one applications to another application using AWS Lambda, Amazon SQS, HTTP, HTTPS. Here you can see subscribers. Subscribers is nothing but users. Another way is applications to person. We will send a notification to one applications to individual persons. We will send a push notifications, text messages, email. Go to dashboard. Click on Amazon SNS. You need to select the topic. My topic is Chenna Tech Point. Click on next step. Here two options are there. One is FIFO and standard. We need to select the standard version for email notification. Here already we providing the name of the topic. Display name is optional. Here I provide Chenna Tech Point. Here no need to change any of options. Leave it as a default. Scroll down. Click on create topic. Here you can see topic is created with Chenna Tech Point. ARN also defaultly added by the AWS. You can see AP Northeast. This is the zone name. Click on create subscription. Here we need to add users here in subscription. Here defaultly ARN name is already added. Click on protocol. These are all the types of protocols. Amazon SQS, AWS Lambda, email JSON format, HTTP, HTTPS, platform application endpoint. Last one is SMS. Mostly we are using email service. Present I am selecting email. We need to provide the email here. Here I am using temporary mail. I copy this mail ID, paste it here. Click on create subscription. You can see, click on subscriptions. This is pending. We need to subscribe through the mail. Go to this mail ID. Scroll down. You received mail, right? Click on this mail ID. You can see confirm subscription. Click on this subscription. Subscription confirmed. Go to AWS console. Refresh it. User added with this mail ID in subscription. Subscription is nothing but users. The users are subscribed in this email. So whatever we send the notification received by the user through their subscription mail IDs. Go to topic. Click on this create a topic Chenna Tech Point. Now what we will do, we will send the one notification to the users. One user is added in subscription. Whatever we push the notification in topic, the topic details is received by user with their individual mail IDs. Click on this topic again. Publish message. Click on publish message. I providing the subject here. For example, I am taking Chenna Tech Point channel. Here we need to provide the details here. I am providing hi, welcome to Chenna Tech Point. I am providing this message to the user. Click on publish message. The notification is sent successfully. Go to mail again. You can see the notification received from AWS. Click on this one. I send one notification to the user. Hi, welcome to Chenna Tech Point. In this way, we will send the email notifications to the users. Suppose the user don't want that subscription. With the help of this link, the user can unsubscribe the channel. In this way, we can send the email with the help of simple notification service. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.